gonna go ahead and get straight into this. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off these ear tabs and then decide how I'm going to put this on my head. Feels like it's been forever since I did my hair because I had those braids in, but this is my birthday week, so I wanted to do a little something different. I think I'm gonna end up doing a skunk straight in this wig soon. I have to get some dye, but I think I'm gonna do a skunk straight. I don't know what color yet, so I'm just gonna leave it be for now. So my phone just like decided to be a butthole and completely turned off. So all of the footage of me hot combing my hair back and then spraying this down what it got to be is completely gone. But for purpose's sake, I'm just gonna tell y'all what it is. So I hot comb my hair back using my wax stick. And then after that, I am using the Got to Beauty spray in the yellow can and my blow dryer and a rat tail comb just to, on the cool setting, blow dryer on the cool setting, just to go ahead and get this adhered to my head. And now we are going to continue where I left off before I was so rudely interrupted by my own phone. I feel betrayed, with so appalled, flabbergasted, like the gumption.
I would like to get to know.
All right, now that my head feels like I have squeezed it like a grape, life.
No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be time.
Anybody do that dance, you nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching-ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like
I'm going to use this curling iron. I have literally never used a curling iron in my life, but somebody that was leaving Japan decided to give it to me, and quite honestly, I have always wanted to figure out how to do it, so we're gonna figure it out together. I almost forgot. I'm using my Bio Silk Therapy and also Bedhead hairspray.
Name brand, I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700.
I'm ready. Let's see if I can figure this out.
Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
I feel like I'm doing this completely wrong, but I guess we'll see together.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
I think I got it. Oh my god. I am whole time about to be 23 on what, Wednesday, and just now learning how to use a curling iron.
That's what motion is up to.
That's rather sad. I'm going to finish this and then I'm going to come back because, yeah. I'm just going to blend in these edges a little bit more. Using a little bit of foundation. But look how... Where? Looks good. It's always so nice when your hair turns out the way you want it to. But let me not. I don't know if I want to do baby hair or not. If I do, it's just going to be on the side, a little swoop, and then probably some.
That's true, indeed. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
I'm just going to cut these at an angle, but not too short because I am gonna curl them. Alright. And I'm just going to alright, I think I'm just going to do that one. I feel like my hair is going to cover everything else anyways, so. Just going to take a paddle brush and brush these curls out. I am going to clean up a little bit and put my clothes on, and then I'm going to come back and finish the little final touches. Okay, let's go on and finish this up. I'm just going to brush this out. I just don't want it to look hard. I'm going to try to do this as gently as possible so I do not rip a hole in my lace. Jesus, these things are hard as hell to take out. Ah, that hurt. I don't know why this feels weird, like at a weird angle, but let me put some concealer on my part and then
As you
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I got a little hot, so I had to kind of just do some touch-ups with this Got to Be glue spray, but this is the final look. She's cute. I wish I had more time because then the curls could have been tighter because I could have left them in longer, but tis whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.